In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to write a beautiful essay, how to write a superb essay. Now, when you get into writing an essay, you should know what is the exact word. I mean, this essay word has come from the French word essayer. And the meaning of this word is to attempt or to do something. So basically what we do that when we write an essay, we actually try to put our thought together. We just try to attempt to put our feelings, our ideas together. Okay. Now, when you're writing an essay, it should be well structured. It should be planned. It should free flow. I mean, there should be free flowing of your ideas and thoughts and the feelings, whatever you want to put into. There should be no hindrance. The grammatical structure should be very well shown. I mean, it should be clean, and the vocabulary you use for writing an essay should be of higher level. A lot of adjectives you can insert into while writing an essay. And the most important thing is that when you are starting with your essay, remember that the beginning of the essay should be very impressive. It should grab the attention of the readers. While reading the essay, they should feel a kind of what should I say? They should stick to that essay when they start reading essay. There should be a kind of desire to read the essay while seeing the introduction, the beginning. So beginning should be very interesting. It should grab the attention of the readers, and you should start with a kind of quote, or sometimes with a kind of opposite unexpected questions that you can do. And when you are ending the essay, you should also remember one thing, that you are just completing the entire thing. You are giving all information. Remember that content is also very important. And you are leaving a kind of thought, a kind of feeling for the students to delve upon, to think that what message has been given in this essay. That